Hello friend, my name is Harsh and you are watching Programming Hub, or in this channel you will learn computer nodes, C language and C++ language. If you have not subscribed to our channel yet, then go to YouTube and subscribe to our channel and also click on the bell icon. Like it is a video, click on subscribe button, turn on notification button so that each of our video can reach you first. This is tutorial has been started on C language. We also had a series on C++, but we could not continue that because admission had started in the college. C++ will start in my second year of BCA. Now we will focus on C language because it is basic language. The name of the compiler we will use today is Coding C. You can also download this compiler from Play Store. The app that I told you earlier is Turbo C. You can do programming from this app and also from that app. Both compiler works the same. In this app it is that you have made a mistake, so it tell you before compiling. We read in C++ that the header file was iostream, but in C language we use stdio.in because there we use cout and cin, but in C we use printf and scanf. Now I will show you how to add two numbers in C program. First of all, we write header file hash include less than symbol stdio dot h greater than symbol. Now we write hash include less than symbol conio dot h greater than symbol. In next line we write void main simple bracket, and now our program will start in the curly bracket. Now write clr clear screen simple bracket semicolon. When the line of the code end in C or C++, we write a semicolon. Now we have to write data type, which is integer int. Now we have to declare variable a comma b comma sum semicolon. Now we write printf simple bracket double quote, and now we write the sentence we print. Now simple bracket semicolon. Now write in next line scanf simple bracket double quote percent d double quote comma and symbol a simple bracket semicolon. We use the symbol and symbol because it tell the address of the variable. Exactly like this you have to write for second variable. Now we write sum is equal to a plus b semicolon. Now it print f sum of two numbers are percent d semicolon quote simple comma sum simple bracket semicolon get ch simple bracket semicolon curly bracket close. See, our code has been compiled. I will also give you the link of the app in description below, and you can also download Turbo C from there.